Well, not really. It's we're trying to show a kid a Lamborghini today. Unfortunately, it's raining, but he had terminal cancer and he loved Lamborghini, so a little rain's not gonna keep some of us away to make his day. So I'll document what I can, but due to privacy, I will probably not film too much. So just a snippet here and there. All right. Look, guys, no airbag light. This car is kind of funny with that. Sometimes stuff comes on and sometimes it just disappears, so I'm not really sure. I've been wanting to wash my car anyways, or get one of the detailer out. So let's get it really dirty before we do that. How you guys like my new filming angle? If you like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. I'm trying to figure out the best way to film where it's not moving too much and you guys can see more. I try to keep it vertical like this so I can do shorts and TikTok, Instagram. Unfortunately, YouTube like it Is it? I can't hear it from in here.
What?
Out for 9.